Hello guys, today I will be informing you guys about water pollution and the effects it has on our daily lives and animals living in the ocean. Water pollution is a contamination of water bodies all over, so it's oceans, lakes, and rivers that have been all over the world, and it's usually caused by us humans. So water pollution happens because of materials being thrown into the ocean. Materials like plastic don't belong, even metal, sometimes chemicals that you put down the sink are not supposed to be in the ocean, so it's not really good for them to go into the ocean because they interfere with our daily lives as well. So you causing that, it's not you, but it's everyone else that's causing this, can harm our daily lives because it's not good. Anything that harms the ocean, whether it's materials like plastic, chemicals, anything that harms the ocean should not be in the ocean because it's just not good for the ocean, and it's not good for us as well. Water pollution has been an issue for many years now. According to the website nrdc.org/stories/water pollution, 80% of the world's waste is dumped into rivers, lakes, and oceans, and it's usually caused by humans, and they don't really know that it actually can cause us more in the future. It's more effective because it's not good for the water because it goes through companies. That's how we get our water, and it's usually effective when we drink it. It's not good for us. Usually when we eat like fish, there's certain things that fish eat in the ocean, and it also causes us it's not healthy for us basically because there's so much bacteria built in the ocean, and then it goes back to us. It's like a cycle that goes back and forth. Water pollution has been an issue for several years now. According to an article, not many people really knew about water pollution until the 19th century. Not many people really cared about water pollution until the beginning of the 19th century, and people started actually in a way making it more knowable and more effective. They kind of started taking action, putting it out there, telling people that we need to dump less into the oceans because it doesn't belong in the ocean. It affects our life. So if we cause it, then I'm sure there's a way that we don't cause it. The environment is very important to human life. As stated in the website pureearth.org, water pollution kills about 10 million people a year. So if water pollution kills 10 million people a year, that shows how effective it is and how people basically kind of have been ignoring it for so many years that it actually kills people. Also, water pollution causes 3 times more deaths than HIV, malaria, and tuberculosis. So these 3 diseases are very effective, and for water pollution to be more effective than these 3 diseases is actually really harmful to many people. For example, in Indonesia, there's water pollution occurring till today. It's been occurring actually everywhere in the world. It occurs in America, and in Indonesia, people are starting to get diseases, and it's harder for them to get cured because of low income, and people are actually dying from this. Toxic pollution affects over 200 million people worldwide. It affects 200 million people worldwide. That means it's really effective, and people need to take action in a way. So, for example, one time I was at the beach, and me and my family were walking on the shore, and I saw a lot of plastic just sitting there, and it was going into the ocean. That's one of the main causes of water pollution, is people actually going on a mini vacation, whether it's outside of America, whether it's to California, Turkey, wherever it is, and they just seem to be so careless that they just throw plastic into the ocean. And that's one of the most effective things ever because it can spread not only to America, but it spreads everywhere. So it's very effective because it goes from one place to another, and then it just causes more diseases for everyone. And does anyone have a question? What's your question?
Is there a solution for water pollution?
Yeah, there's a solution to water pollution. So basically for water pollution, what you do is you use less plastic, and there's so many solutions to water pollution, but I'll just give you 2 examples. Use less plastic, and when you're like doing the dishes, there's like chemicals that you're not supposed to use a lot. It affects it because it goes into the drain and it goes into the ocean, comes back to us. So it's kind of like I said in the beginning, a cycle. Yes, you got it. So basically, that's about it for it being a cycle. It just keeps going around and it comes back to us. I hope you all have learned about how water pollution may affect our daily lives and how it may affect us in the future. That's about it.